Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. So this video is all about one single brand, that is K Beauty by Katrina Kaif. So I'm here to review about the eyeshadow sticks that I have used for a while now. So they are just amazing. I must say it is an amazing product because firstly the packaging is excellent. It's in the form of a stick, so it's like a crayon stick, which is very travel friendly. You can put it in your purse, you can just dump it in your bag, in your small pouch, so it is very convenient. Second most important thing is that it is affordable. The third most important thing is the pigmentation is amazing. The color payoff is too good, it is brilliant. And the next most important thing, it is creamy in texture. So when you apply it, it's like a cream form, but it settles down into a powder form and it stays for a very long time. The bingo point out here is that it is smudge proof and it is waterproof. So girls, it's like a wow product, I know. And it is very convenient. It is not messy because when you use crayons, it's like just scribbling on your eyes and just blend it with your finger, or maybe you want to blend it with your brushes. Whatever is convenient for you girls, you can try that. So this creation by Katrina Kaif was like a brilliant creation. Thank you so much. So I will swatch the shades for you guys and you can see the color payoff and the pigmentation. And yeah, it is very nourishing because it is enriched with ceramide and macadamia oil, which is very good. I mean, wow. So let's begin with the swatches. So they have two ranges of eyeshadow sticks. One is the matte one and the other one is the metallic one. I purchased almost all the metallic ones because I was in love with the products. It's not, I'm not hyping about the products, but it is really worth the hype. So let's begin with swatching the products. So the first shade that I'll swatch is this one, which is like a bluish shade. So I'll swatch for you. Swatch yours. So you can see it's highly pigmented. So this one is a metallic one. So this one is like a bluish shade. It's not a normal blue, it's more like a deep peacock blue kind of a shade. Next one is, I'll swatch, is the shade Olive. You can see it's so beautiful. So yeah, this is the shade Olive. So it's more like a olive greenish with a golden undertone. The next one is Amidst, which is like a purple shade. So it's very smooth on your skin, so it's not like, and yeah, it doesn't crease out, so that's the best part, because when you apply cream shadow, you're skeptical about the fact that maybe it'll crease out or it'll just melt or maybe something like that. It doesn't smudge also. It is really nice. You just need to let it set for a while. Next one is Jaded Glow, which is again like a peacock blue greenish shade. It's like a deeper green and a peacock greenish shade. The next one is the shade Golden Hour. The shade named Glam Grey, which has got a tinge of purple in it, and it's like a nice grayish color. Post that, you've got the shade which is more like a deep reddish shade. Actually not red, but a deep reddish pink kind of a shade. So this is in the shade Temptation, which is again like on a deeper tone. The shade Blush Moonlight. So you can see it has got a hint of pink color with a golden undertones. It's a little lighter and it's good for like a normal daytime or a pretty angelic look. Next one is the Special Effects which has a copper kind of a undertone. So you can see this is like more on a pinkish shade, and this is a little on a copper, dark copper shade. After that, you've got the shade. Let's swatch. Okay, this one. This is a bare metal. It's a dull golden shade that you can see. So it's good for the inner corners or for highlighting. So that way. Last one that I have is the shade Fortune, which is again like a dull grey cum ash color. It's more on that tone. So it's again with the gold undertone. So yeah, these are the metallic ones. Now I'll swatch the two mattes that I had bought. So this one is the shade Revel. So I'll swatch it here for you. So you can see it's a nice brown shade. So, and the next one that I'll swatch is Blush, which is more of a pink nude. So I use these two colors. So I use this color not just to create an eyeshadow base, but I use this for a contour as well, and I use this for a lip color too. And this one too, I use it as a lip color as well as a blush. And all these eyeshadow sticks, I can use it even to create just a liner, or maybe just for kajal, or some shimmer ones like the Golden Hour, the Bare Metal, and the Special Effects. I can use it as a lip topper to create that ombre kind of a look. So yeah, these are the swatches for all of y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. I have tried to communicate as much as possible in this video, wherein I have swatched the products for you. Yeah, before I forget, I wanted to show you that it is smudge proof. Even if you want to rub your eyes, it will not come off. So that's the best part about it. Girls, especially the working girls, it is a must buy for all of y'all, because during the daytime when you're going to office, you can just use the nude shades, and when you want to step out for a party, you can just highlight it by using the metallic ones and just create a nice edgy or a nice pretty babe kind of a look. Highly recommend these products. It's available online on Nykaa. It's a must buy for all girls, especially for beginners who are really fussy or they are messy with using powdered shadows, or they're not able to blend the powdered shadows properly. So for you girls, it is a brilliant product, because you girls will fall in love with the crayons. Cheers girls! So please do buy the products from Nykaa, and let me know after using the products what are your suggestions on the same thing. Cheers! Bye! Take care! Love you girls!